Aviation, and today I will be reviewing the Continental Airlines Boeing 737-900. So here it is right here, and it is 1/400 scale, which means it is 400 times smaller than the real model. So let's open this up and have a look. Now, I will let you guys check. You can pause the video and read that there if you want to. Okay, moving back to the aircraft. So it looks pretty nice from inside, but let's actually close this now and let's open this up. There we go. Take this lid off. Yeah. There we go. And take the lovely plane out. There we go. Take this off. Just like that. And we'll get this out of the way. Alright. So here it is. It's pretty small comparing to like my other models, like the Air Canada. I'll show you like the size differences. My Air Canada is like a bit bigger than it, so it's still pretty big, but it is a bit small. So, moving around, as you can see here are the exit lines going along there, and if we turn around the aircraft, you can see the exit line on the other side. Here is the view from the front. Looks really cool. And also, comment down below if you know what this bird symbol is. Right there. Because I'm not sure what it's for, but comment down below if you know what it is. Now, moving to the back, we can see the registration is N75436. Now, I can't quite tell what flag that is. It's small, but comment down below if you know what it is. Okay, turning on the bottom. It is made not by Harper. It is actually made by GMI Jets, and the wheels on this do not move. And I think down there, as you can see, if I can just get it to focus, hang on. Under the registration, I think is the door where they put in all the luggage. Okay, now moving on to some facts. And also on the wing, it says Continental. So, moving on to some facts. So this is for the business of it. So, by the way, shout out to Henry's Aviation because he actually gave me some of these facts and he helped me with them. So, Continental Airlines were founded in 1934, but they didn't commence till 1937. And they stopped flying in March the 3rd, 2002 until they merged with United Airlines. So moving on to the aircraft now. So the aircraft is often flown between Utzon and Fort Myers. And the livery that it is in now, is currently the livery that it has. The livery that it currently is now. The livery that they had then is actually the livery that they use right now. I kind of got that bit a bit muddled up, and it is a old livery. And so the aircraft was built in 2009, which wasn't that long ago, but it was quite long ago. So I like the livery of the aircraft. It is really nice. And as I said, the wheels don't move. So yeah, I like it. Comment down below if you like it, whether or not. Now, just before I leave you guys, I'm going to show you my whole aircraft collection as it is right now. So I'm going to put the Continental Airlines back, and I'm going to show you the planes that I have reviewed so far. Moving along to here, we have the Jetstar. Moving along to here, we have the Air Canada. Moving on along to here, we have the Continental, which is what I've just showed you. Moving on to here, we have the Qantas Freight, which actually, they don't usually come with a stand, but I think the guy that I bought it off actually put a stand inside it. Moving on, this is the last model that I have so far. We have an Air India. So yeah, that's all the models that I have for now. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, and also if you need some more facts, comment down below. And also after you've done that, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. And also after you've done that, if you haven't already, click that bell notification to get notified whenever I upload any new videos. And can we try and get this video to like 4 likes? If we can get 4 likes, that would be good. So yeah, after you've done that, click the bell notification, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. So good, bye!